Hello, everyone. How's your week going? Because how my week is going is, let's see, on Monday, I woke up, had to go into employee health for work because it was too late to call off. And then I made an appointment with my PCP and I was diagnosed with pink eye, which it's still pink as you can see. And luckily I am on medicine. But I'm off work until all symptoms go away. So my paycheck is gonna suck. You know, I wanted a vacation from work, but not because I had pink eye. So because of that, I was a little confused about what to film because, of course, the videos I have filmed that I have set up to film, I can no longer film because of the fact that I don't want to contaminate my makeup brushes or my makeup products. Like, my pink eye might not be contagious anymore, but still, I'm not gonna take that risk, especially I don't want it to get more irritated or worse. So I decided, why not do my everyday skincare routine? Because, you know, it's something that I do whether I have pink eye or not. So yeah, this is my morning one. So let's just get into the video. So, I don't know what happened to my headband. I used to have like a unicorn headband that was very cute. So we're going to do this because bangs are a hassle, but you know what? I like the bangs. I might keep them. And of course, take off my glasses. I never wear glasses and I cannot see without them at all. But because, of course, pink eye, I have to wear them. Well, let me put them back on first because I gotta see. So the first thing is, of course, I wash my face. And the cleanser I use right now is the LMS Superfood AHA Glow Cleansing Butter. And I feel like this is just perfect for fall because it has pumpkin, cherry, and mango butter, you know. And my skin's so dry, so I have so many cleansers to get rid of. That's unreal. Like, I keep buying more and I don't know why. So I need to stop buying them and just start using them. But LMS is an amazing brand. And that's all I'm going to say. So this is something I have used before. I really do like it. It's like a butter consistency. But I wash my face with that. Because I'm using that, I am not going to use my little cleanser thing, which I do usually use, but with that product, I'm not. You're in my cabinet now. I changed to like my phone face light and turned off my big one. I'm gonna turn off my glasses. Take off my glasses. And of course, I wet my face and I use cold water. And then I just take about this much. You don't need much. This product is so hydrating. Like, all of Alama's products are so amazing. Like, for the price and stuff, it's not bad. And this is really good for dry skin. So if you have really dry skin, this hair. If you have dry skin, got the hair. If you have dry skin, then I recommend this product to you guys because my skin is so glowy and transformed after this. So of course I take cold water and I wash my face. And then I just take a towel. Usually I use a very soft towel, but I don't have one. So, and I pat. I do not wipe. Patting is the way to go. Be careful of my eye too. That's my face washed. Next, I take a toner, which a toner isn't necessary. I just think that it kind of resets your skin, especially if you have a full face of makeup, but also just a nice like wake up call, I feel like, in the morning. This is the T. Dickinson's Witch Hazel. I'm only using this to get rid of it because I did spend money on it. I don't think it was that expensive, but still, if I spend money on something, I'm gonna try and use it. So I just take that all over my face. This just gets, this really tells you if your cleanser is doing a good job or not. I've been lacking on my skincare routine, unfortunately, so. Down the neck, because I always forget that part. Okay. There. Now I keep like all of this in my room, so I brought it to the bathroom. This is pretty much like my daily as well as nighttime skincare routine. So first things first is I would take a serum. I take 2 serums, usually a hyaluronic acid one and then a retinol one. Right now I'm using a Day Logic facial serum with vitamin C. This definitely just, you know, vitamin C is very good vitamin for your skin. Makes your skin glowy. But I prefer, of course, using something else. And then the second is this. This is something I got, I think, in BoxyCharm. It's the tomato serum, and I think it's over $100. So I'm definitely using this. It's very a thicker consistency, but I feel like serums are so good for your skin because they have smaller molecules, so they can penetrate deeper in your skin. Don't forget underneath your eyes. So after serum, I take this Doma E Scar Gel to my skin graft. Of course, if you don't have a skin graft, then this isn't a step that you need, but it's something that I do. I tend to actually forget about this step, but it's something that I do. I do love this cream. I feel like it does work, but of course for something like this, it's going to take longer to work, but it's not bad. Okay. That little piece of hair. Next, I take something for my eyes. Now, you can use your moisturizer, doesn't matter, but right now I've just been trying to use this Pond's Rejuvenous Anti-Wrinkle Cream. Whoops. And I just apply it right under my eyes. Try not to get it in my eye, especially right now. And I apply it right on top of my eye too. I'm actually gonna use a different hand. I've been lucky that it hasn't transferred over, and I really do not want it to transfer over. I've been washing my hands like crazy to prevent that. So there. Now I do use this. This is a tool by Sonia Kashuk, which is from Target. I just do this. I don't know what this is supposed to do. I feel like it's supposed to get your blood flowing and help prevent wrinkles, puffiness. I probably should have done this eye first. That was my stupidity. And I do it like right here for some reason. I don't know if it does anything, but that's what I do. And then next, I do take a moisturizer, of course. This is the Say I Love You with Pride Triple Antioxidant Face Cream by Dr. Brandt. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but can you read that? I don't know. Okay. I really like this. I got it in BoxyCharm and it's one of my favorites, to be honest. And I'll probably repurchase this. Don't forget underneath the eyes, of course. And down the neck. I feel like people neglect around the neck and stuff. Okay. And last thing I do is, of course, SPF. I'm such a big person on SPF. I feel like it's very important and everyone needs to apply it. Whether it's sunny outside or not, whether it's summer or winter, you need it in your skincare routine. And this is the Super Goop Glow Stick SPF 50. I love that one. I love that it's in stick form too. And there is my everyday morning skincare routine. So let me know if you've used any of these products and what your favorite products are. These are just some of my favorite products, as well as some products I'm testing out or whatever, or trying to get rid of. But yeah, that is my everyday skincare routine. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.